Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. It's not of the RX-7 today, it's of the Skyline. A little update for the RX-7. While building, I got a little water in the intake while I was pressure washing it. It wasn't a lot, but I didn't want it to sit in there. So like in the rotor housing. So I built the car up as fast as I could without kind of recording or anything like that. And I built it up as quick as I could. Good Lord. I built it up as quick as I could and kind of threw it all together, got it started. The car ran fine, ran perfect. I'm having issues with getting the idle dialed in, so I figured I would just buy a Haltech and throw away the Power C. So until that comes in and that's all done, we've got Skyline content for now. I pulled that out of storage. It's a little dirty. There's a lot of dirt all over the paint. Figured I'd also clean the interior and stuff like that, but that's for a different day because that's gonna be a lot harder and I cannot do that where I'm currently at. So for now, it's exterior detail of the Skyline. Enjoy. All right, that's pretty much it for the Skyline. We'll do the interior soon, and we'll come back with. I'll try to get like a proper update video going for you guys. Yeah, it's been pretty unfortunate for that FD, and if that idle is not sitting at that like smooth 900 RPM idle, I'm really not happy because it's like it's doing the like classic rotary like brapping, like the lopping noise, kind of like a cammed V8. So it's I don't know, it's not to my standard. I can't dial it in any further. I mean, maybe someone who knows power FCs and how to tune them properly can, but me personally, I cannot. So we're gonna upgrade to a Haltech. I'm gonna throw it in the new Nexus S2, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll see you then. See ya.